Hello, my name is Zachary McVeigh, and I'm taking CS50x from Oakland, California in the United States. My final project is a web application that simulates what's called multi-outcome grading. It's a system for turning like a list of assignments, basically with grades, into one final grade. And it uses different like types or strands of grades, so it's a bit more complicated. And thus is why I think this might be useful, as it's a little bit of like an environment that people can just like try stuff out and get a little bit more used to how the system works. Um, so going into the functionality, you can see we have different classes, and we can add a class, and we can remove classes, and those basically just function as like they're different, basically like their own separate environment. So if we go into this one, we can see we already have one assignment in, and that one is worth 10 agency points, and we have all 10 agency points. So as you would expect, we have 10 out of 10 points, so we have 100% of the class. However, if we add another assignment, and let's say it is not worth any, but let's say instead it's worth knowledge and thinking, we only get 5 out of 10 for it. You might expect, so we have 10 there and 10 there, and then we have 10 there and 10 there, so that's 20 possible, and then we have 10 and 5 there, so you'd expect that's 15 out of 10, or 75%. But if we actually look at it, it's 60%, and that's because they're weighted differently and thus act differently.